to the Northwest Province. Thank you very much, gents. As we proceed with the draw, let us confirm Lions, Hungry Lions, not make it last season. Will be playing at home. I'm now going to confirm University of Pretoria. AmaTax. You can get them on stage. AmaTax. Champion or finalist in 2009. Kenzie, I must tell you something about this man here. Samuel Judas. He is forever going to be in the history books of the Nedbank Cup. I wish his opponent didn't go away. Do you remember the most famous match in the Nedbank Cup? Power Lines against Mamelodi Sundowns. He was playing for Mamelodi Sundowns and he actually scored 2 goals. It was 2 or 3. It was 2 goals. He scored 2 goals in that. It was back in 2012. And the score was 24-0. The score was 24-0. Okay? We proceed with the draw. Emily without looking once more. Is going to confirm the next home side, and it is Chakuma Chamadzibandila. Remember them? Chakuma Chamadzibandila. Are they even here? Yes, they're here. They will be playing at home. They keep coming back. They keep coming back. Let's confirm. Thank you so much. They are away side. Who travels to Venda? Let's show the camera. And it is Orlando Pirates. Chakuma Chamazivandira will play up against Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates, of course, the last 3 editions, Orlando Pirates have made it to the final, winning it twice, losing out, of course, last season to Kaizer Chiefs. Thank you, gentlemen. As we proceed, and playing at home will be Durban City FC. Durban City FC will play at home, and then we'll keep it moving and confirm the away side. Traveling to the KZN province, Jocelyn Kamatuka waits for Chippa United, the Chili Boys. Chippa United, the Chili Boys, of course, Chippa United in 2021 were in the final. They narrowly lost out in the final, and they will play up against Durban City. They are still friendly at this moment. We'll see what happens on next day. And playing at home will be Rise and Shine, Polokwane City. Polokwane City will have a home fixture. Can see without looking. Well done. Let's confirm now their opponent who travels to Polokwane, and it will be Usu AmaZulu. AmaZulu will travel to Polokwane City, and this is the same AmaZulu side. In 2010, the first Nedbank Cup, that fixture we're talking about, the first Nedbank Cup at Soccer City, they were in the final, AmaZulu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jess. Emily will now confirm the next home side, and it is SSU M17 FC from Soweto, representing the Gauteng province in the Safa regions. Yeah. SSU. They used to be called, my brother used to be called, Okay, let's first confirm your opponent. I'm getting carried away. Milford FC. Milford FC will then come on stage. SSU, are you still called Soweto Super United? Or this is a different team? Okay. Soweto Super United M17. And Milford FC is the opponent. Okay, so this is the last one before we do the recap. Emily will now confirm the next home site. Aha, I need to explain this. This is SAFA Western Cape. So this is the only region, only province in the SAFA divisions that still has matches that are still yet to be played. But we will be getting the name at the end of this weekend, so they will be finalizing. So SAFA Western Cape, whichever team will win those playoffs will play at home. We will now confirm who gets to travel to the Western Cape. We still don't know the name of that team, but we are now confirming the team traveling there, and it will be Lutuli Brigades. Lutuli Brigades is also another team from the SAFA regions. They are from the Mpumalanga province. And I think we are halfway. So now, for obvious reasons, Lutuli Brigades will not have an opponent next to them, but the opponent will be confirmed very soon. Tato, maybe a quick recap?
Well, I think more than anything, we're more than excited about that wonderful fixture.
Is FC Cardinals. FC Cardinals, another SAFA division team. They are from the Free State province. FC Cardinals. So who gets to travel to the Free State? And it is Jaxa Spears. Jaxa Spears. They are also a SAFA division team. They are from the Northern Cape province. We'll get the player to come on. Both these teams are making their debut in the round of 32 Nedbank Cup. You see, I thought maybe there was not going to be any handshake. I thought maybe the battle lines have already been drawn, but good sportsmanship there. Emily, we proceed and confirm fixture number 10. Who gets to play at home? And it is Kambati FC. Kambati FC. Of course, they are also from the SAFA regions. They are from the KZN province. They are not playing for the first time in the round of 32 of the Nedbank Cup. So, welcome return. And playing away will be Lerumo Lions. Lerumo Lions from the Mutipe Foundation Championship in the Northwest Province. Lerumo Lions were in the Nedbank Cup last season, but they lost out in the round of 32. Thank you, gentlemen. Let's keep it moving. Talks. I don't know what has happened here. I'm gonna have to look for a little accident here. Okay. I think we're gonna have to do a quick replacement here because they're about. Okay. Let me just. Okay. Can okay. Oh. Let me just give you a quick. Both of you without looking now. You're not gonna look even when I'm staring. Yes. Thank you. Let's move on. These things do happen. It's live television. I don't know what happened there. Let's then confirm the next home side, and it's Upington City. Upington City FC. They will be playing at home. Kenty, once again, without looking, I'll just make sure that I help you so that you don't get caught, and we will now confirm the next away side, and it's Magesi FC. Magesi FC will travel to Upington City. Magesi last season lost out in the round of 32. And it's Chippa. The most popular man in South African football. Confirm the next home site. Who is going to be playing at home? And it is Highbury FC. Highbury FC from the Eastern Cape Province. And there goes Kenty confirming the next away side. Sekhukhune United, of course, were in the final in 2023. Last season, they lost out in the quarterfinals. Keep it moving. Emily, I think we are getting there. Competition was in 2019 when they were in the semi-finals. Confirming now the away side, who travels to KZN, and it is Orbit College. Orbit College FC will travel to the KZN province. Orbit College last season didn't qualify for the round of 32, but newly promoted in the round of 32. Gentlemen, I need to just say something while you stand there. Kenty again, Chairman. There's this man here. So in football, we've got something called football age. Sometimes it happens. I think this man is doing it the other way around. Can you believe he's 43 years old? But if you see him on the pitch, he looks much... Okay, we're getting there, Thank you. Mamelodi Sundowns will play at home, and Kenty will now confirm the away side. The postman is here. Aubrey Mudiba, Mr. Nedbank. And traveling to Tshwane will be Gomora United. Gomora United from Alexander. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Gomora United making their debut in the round of 32. Sundowns last season lost out in the semis. This is now the penultimate fixture. Fixture number 15. Who do we have up next? And it is TS Galaxy. The Rockets. TS Galaxy, champions in 2019. Will be playing at home, as you can see. 2019 champions TS Galaxy will play at home up against Marumo Gallants, who were in the semi-finals last season and who were also in the final in 2022. Thank you so much. We just have one more. Emily will then take, okay, let me help you. She has taken the last home side of this draw. And it is Siwelele FC. Siwelele FC. You can look now, kids. There's only one. You can look. Siwelele FC. Ohiso Sanoka is waiting for the Natal Rich Boys, and that's Richards Bay FC. Last season, Richards Bay FC lost out in the round of 32. Still, so now